In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix ZArchiver app keeps stopping error. If you are constantly experiencing this, then there are quite a number of steps you can take to fix this. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. Alright, in the first step, we need to access ZArchiver app info page to troubleshoot this. To do that, go to settings on your phone. From settings, look for apps. Now under apps, go to manage apps or all apps. This will list all the apps you have on your phone. From the list, just search for your app, ZArchiver by name, tap on it to open, and from here, go to force stop app and OK. Then go to clear data and clear cache, OK. Finally, clear all data. Now restart your smartphone, and before you open it, make sure if you are using any VPN, turn it off, or if you have any recently installed security app, uninstall it, as this might also be causing this issue. You also want to Google Play Store or App Store. If you're on iPhone, search for your ZArchiver app, and here see if you have any update your app to the latest version. Now your app should be up and running without any issue. However, even after updating, if you're still getting the same error, then most likely ZArchiver might have bugs. For that, you'll need to uninstall your ZArchiver app and install it afresh to clear any bugs that might be associated with ZArchiver app. Now if you open, everything should be okay. Grant permission to start using your app without any issue. So let me know which of this was able to fix your problem. If you have any other question, kindly comment below. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.